let's let's okay, let's vegetation. Okay. Uh, in the beginning, no, let's on him vegetation mala. Okay, the creation, no, when it metal that tilora, no, creation. When it beginning, the Quran beginning, let that quati, because they, let's all of because they, when it beginning, the water bakaro, where I see the panel, when it progressing, that's it a pile, no. Well, me when I follow, get him, no, me what it a pala, city le no pa kevra patit phala believer no pa me patit phala asukena kita the pa ke patit phala no panawara we believe bible no let us ko no bible way ni no page power the bible is okay reverse august no lớp bục này Bible way này đặt thử vào đó là đặc thù quy anh mình chỉ có 1978 lúc đó bây giờ mà là nó reverse August 1983 đó ở đây ta cái quay cái đó nó ta cái mà cái này đặc thù quy à họ shit tên đó nó ok mình đến đó bây giờ qua pay ta mà ta thì phải resource cái khai này ta quay bảo ra là bây giờ mà là phát triển resource lo cái sai vào này olo we know the Bible okay the God we people talk about the we have God okay thế đó nó cũng là bậc cửa bắt thứ bắt ta là trái cái tiền phải à mà nó bậc cửa sự cũng mua ra đó bậc cửa bậc chín nó phải là bậc trao một nó bậc clear over abo là bậc trao cái trao mà nó bậc trao là trái cái của này lo cái này bậc cái gì là trao mình tiền phải đấy nóกระปัตตุปัตตะนะประจำโอเคไปเกลียวว่าเพย์นี่ the beginning เนาะตาละคอที่เขา the beginning ตาคอที่เขาเนาะตาคอที่เขานี่ไม่ตาละมันติดผ่านตามาตาเลยเนาะไปเจอมาเนาะตาพิจารณาแล้วประมาณจะมีละลานไม่ตาคอที่เขาไม่ถูกว่าหรอกไปก็สิเลยเนาะreason ด้วยว่าเนาะwe tell ma na foundation no foundation do ba ta khot te khot bo lo we tell ma agi de se lo ta ba no awan me se ko ta ke te mi lo kro ba ta pa ta ta ke ti ba no here the genesis chala genesis ne ba ga nya ko ra la little mo se ana ko ne the beginning no ba ke te ma ta khot te o khot bo lo ka sa ya ti lo ta khot te khot bo ke klo no in the beginning God creates the heaven and the earth เนาะปกติมาเลอะข้อที่นี่ก็ใส่ว่าที่เราเวลาเนาะมุงคูเนาะฮอกคูมันเจอเนาะ now the earth was เนาะก็ว่า formless and เนาะ empty darkness was over the surface of the deep เนาะปกติมาเลอะ away นี่เคยนี่เจอเนาะตาลุฮอกคูนี่เนาะเจอฮอกคูนี่ปกติมาเลอะa ke ho to uriba no a ke ho at uba do bagate ma la o wara la ta to nor mi ba apu ne no o wara takhi no lu baku ra la bagate ma na lu baku ra la ta yobu amesa no bagate ma faith no surface da bagina surface sita na bagate ma la bagate ma la alok ho no bagate tina surface no the Pevra didn't and the spirits of God was now hovering over the water. Spirits of the gods did not know. Made out of that. You are that, you are that. Nay, did I love hovering it to blue to blow, but the God at the blue to blow till we walk, no, but dead and hovering till we walk, not over the water, no, look, tea a pig, come over the water, look. I want to think now, spirits of the God, the spirit of the God was hovering over the water, typical, and God said, I want to say you are David, let there be light, more takapo, get out again, let there be light, and there was light, Hanero takaponi gate over all there was light tak upon get away God saw that no kasaya tiwera taway ni no God saw that the light was good no I want to tak upon me tak no the light was good tak upon me tak and he separate the light from the darkness ulone aware no power separate no power because mala takaporo taki no because ma takaporo taki God called the light day no kasaya ko ra la muni ni me ra la takapone ko ra la muni no awane kasaya ko pati ra ni no le ani khu thu ni tama ta ti ra pha le takwa no before 6,000 years ago okay let us go down patinya le tawi tamata no and the darkness he called night tala munna ni awe ko ra le takhi no takhi lo munna ni no takwara takhi no and there was evening and there was morning the first day awani pagitena male there was no penene ora wo do penene ora do mumu ko khoro mu halo no evening and the morning awani takora le mutni ni lo first day no takwa mutni ke meme dini ni really mutni ni kasaya ko ra wili mukhini dini second day ni ko ra dile and God said we lo kasaywa teweda no and God said do kasaya siwe let there be a span between the water to separate water from water no pakitera mala span sidane phene no talok wo phale talok wo phale le pakitena between takata water no waters to separate water from water awani no thi de phane awa kaba no pharada thi do thi mano tira no Penny so God made the expand no when it kasaya maura ta ko phale and separate the water under the expand from the water above it no expand sidane penny vegetation mala ta ko phale vegetation ma awani ta ko ra la mukapolo de ko we sikono expand when no awani lo mukapolo apoko do lo mukapolo aphala no ko ra no God made the expand and separate the water under the expand from the water above no then ta munku no la phoko do phala no I want it ti olo phoko do ti olo phala no pite no and it was so away ni tama na takawo tamata no away ni it was so meaning no God called the expand sky no expand talago phale ni takora le munku no sky ni na awani munku no takwo phale ni takwo ra lo munku and there was evening awani ora mun halo no and there was morning ora lo woko no the second day awani made a kini tani no patimala second day no do bagitana and God said do kasaya siwela let the water under the sky be gathering to one place no pagitama let the water no more chide pha no pagitama la no ulo pagitama no sky mutakapo phala no sky ne mukho phala be gathering to the one place no pagitama la ko ora gathering did the thought no and let drying ground appear let drying ground appear sidan mera mo khu uphra khu ni kaba me le thi do lo apok ba dry no khu ni mi ta la thi da ba lo pu ba dry no mo khu uphra tho de la no and it was so tamata dini lo no it was so no then God called the drying ground land now when it kasaya ko ra le drying ground in land no when it kasaya ko ra le no khu uphra tho ra ni ko ra le no ta lo lo patu uphra ra lo land no and the gathering water he called sea no ta lo thi pa phu da lo ni ta ko ra le sea si da ne po le mo no and God saw that is what good no kasaya ti wera awani metal agilo the god said no we learn it then no kasaya si wera no let the land produce vegetation no more vegetation ma cool no cool ti the pa no do metal wera no ta mu ta bo seed bearing plant no vegetation seed bearing plant sida ne mi no metal or a clear a tha no a clear the pa no awake him metal with that no ke him metal with that the talawani and treat on the land no the the pa le kita mala talo taklepu no that bear fruits no belong aware ke he tato with that no attack a selo with that with seed in it no a clear all up no when no sit in a clear all up no according to their various kind no but according to dimmy to la a lot solo attack not the blue no various kinds no I want tamu a glue not the blue no and it was so tamata dinner and it was so tamata dinner the lamb produce vegetation no when it no hakuni no do mero wera no do tharo do mero wera tamu tabu ni no plants no when it metal talo takle ti pan no plants idane tatu lo flower da be no plants no bear and seed according to their kind and tree bear fruits with seed in is according to their kind when it metal no tamu tabu ti pani where pagitena mana over a glue do pagitena ti pani ta hoera a glue do di a glue da we athuni lo no ero ti we din ma di a glue da we athuni lo and God saw no pani ro kasaya ti we da na God saw that it was good no when it kasaya ti we da la away ni mita ni lo and God pagitena mana and there was evening and there was morning the Thursday evening muhalo do wako when he made a within lo and God said let there be light in the expanse of the sky to separate the day from the night pagitama expanse na talo phale no talo phale le mukapolo no talo phale le mukapolo no pagitama mala no when it light takapo no let there be lights when it metal more takapo keto no takapo keto no lights sitan takapo flat papa there no takapo pa keto le mukapolo no to separate the day from the night no we tera la kana power pagitana mala muni no pagitana muni no muna no day from the night no and let them search and sign to mark no season no pagitana let them serve sitan awe more awe ti wa kadu plaro wala ta panno le pagitana mala ta ka panno le pagitana season sitan no pagitana ma tani mina tani ma tala season no awanda ko season no and day tani no and years no tani siko no more kero wala tag weni mo no awa ka pa plaro wa atagi taki weni and let them be light in the span of the sky to give light on the earth no when it mitala no let them be light and mu takapo ti pani mo ake hito no takapo lo mukapolo no su akaselo wa su hoku no ke hito wa takapolo mukapolo no no haku ne pagati wa go no and it was so away ne mitakiro sikolo God makes two great lies no pagine ka sa tilo wala two great lies now before ne ka sa tilo lies no when it takapo pasidan is pagite ma sa ko mo no sa pho ko glu lo phane no pagite ma tama sa din no Penny no made two great light no the greater light to be govern the day and the no pagkitama lesson light to govern the night no pagkitama la more talk about the fact capora muni, your Pagatan attack apollo a sine, capora moon attack apollo a do, no? Pagatan attack apollo a do great lies and attack apollo a do, no? Agree. A when a capora, Pagatan mano, muni, let talk apollo, no? Lizards, sit down and metal attack sick come, no? Work a power moon and law, no? He also made the star, no? Or Ulane aware, Tiva sick or star, sit down and metal, South Pole theater part, no? God's sun then is the expanse of the sky to give light on earth. No, when it Kasayua, Palawada, love, Vetalo Pale Abu, Don Lo Mukapolo, did the awake hit or takapo, no? Did I takapo, Sue Hawkonelo, no? To no govern the day and the night, no? But my look a powera moon need or muna and to separate light from darkness. We run it aware cannot power, no? Aware cannot power, no? Takapo or taki, no? Light from darkness. And God saw that it was good, no? When it say a $2 when it meet and there was evening, no? When it pretend my penny over muhalo, and there was morning over the fourth day, not the fourth day. That when it may a moon sikolo. Dopakale qua leta agatami or David, and God said, Ulana Kasaya David, no Kasaya Sira, let the water teem with living creatures. Now, when a more a tea the pani, a work of pre-on vegetation, a living creature, tamu a thought, tamu tahutage, no, a when and left. No, let the birds fly above the earth, cross the expand of the sky, both of the earth, no. But away, no, more to believe put it apart, no, because you will look hoku a poku, the cross the expand of the sky, because cross the expanse, no, away the because you will wear the because cross ne. You will wear talot to door, expand the talot pale, lumukapolo, no, what could they get you? Because you were no. So God created the great creatures of the sea and every living and no moving thing, no, Pagitama, when it Kasayua Tilo, no, Pagitama, great, no, great creature, no, Pagitama, when it ta mu ata menu ata pagitama no sabu kopo of the sea, no, pagitama le tea apala, no, le tea apu every living in the moving thing, no, pagitama ta kala kasila over the over penny, no, over the hogewe with no the which the water tin, no, le pagitama tea pala according to their kind, no. Let on a kutara over a gluglu, over the pan over gluglu, no, and every wind bursts according to its kind, no. When it metala, ta a di, ueda, no, ta a di, Pagitana, tuboli po order a di, the pan, no, over a gluglu to its kind, no, over gluglu, no, and God saw that it was good, dog, a tivera, when it met taki, no. Kasaya Tivera awani mitagi. God blessed them and said, Dokasaya, no, Pagitama Sugi awethiro Tivera. Be fruitful and increase in numbers and food the waters in the sea. Pagitama awani no more nagtu tharo ato water no dua no run a map with over no tea. And let the birds increase on. Not when it's called the topoli put it far, not increase it on it. Metal gentlemen, other water on the earth, no, on the earth, and le hako pako, and there was evening and there was morning. No, when it muhalo o do Pagitama for call ulo, no, the fifth day, no, Pagitana, when a mujanity, no, and God said, no, no, Kasaya Devada, let the land produce living creatures according to their kind. When a metala, no, how could it do, Pagitana do, metal, mina do Pidota, Pagitana, living creature. So go with it upon according to their kinds and when a glue thune, no, live toes, Pagitana malo, tamu a tha, no, live toes sit on it. Tamu a tha, patiothi, no, Penny, Gora, tamu, da, no, tamu tabu, no, da, a 2 feet palm, live toe, when a metala, da, Pagitana, da, Sapukopo, a glue, no, David Dinamo. They move along the ground, no, thus moves along the ground. Lo haku, no, or what they kahawala haku, and white animal, the sabukopola, Pagitana mala, the glue, but then sabukopo, the glue, each according to its kind. Not a winning, no, Pagitana. The glue, what the glue, when it a glue, Pokemon, and it was so, and then I will run it when it took it. God made the wild animal according to their kind. When it say a deal or no, Tamila, a glue, no, or Tamila did part of glue. They lived according to their kind, no, Pagitana, a wetty or a tamu atha. And all the creatures that moving along the ground according to their kind. When it metala, Sabukopola ahu gevera hoku no di aglu no. And God saw that it was good. Ulana kasara tiweta when it mitaki, no. Kasara tiweta when it mitaki, no. Ulana devera. Then God said, let us make man is ourselves, no. Our image, no. Kasara tevera ma, no. Pakatiro pakanyo di pakosu in our likeness, no. Loga ditu powera tu, no. No, pakitama and let them rule over the fish, no. Away the kapusera le nya poku of the sea, no. Le tea poku, no. And the birds of the earth, no. Pakitama le Pagina muk no le kali a poco le bakal to liu did pa over the leviture over the no over all the earth, no. Pagina le tamu a thata who tank it pa dor caraba le hawk killer le hawk killer and over all the creatures, no. Pagina le so go did pa killer and moves along the ground le hawada le Hoku, no, Dera, no, move along the ground, no. So God created man in His own image. Now, when it's so, we run a kasaya tilo wada, Wakanyola, and knock a sada way, no. Own image, and knock a sada way a home, knock a sada tilo and knock sada way a home. In the image of God, He created him, no. Away is you are tilo le kasayo agoda way do no away tilo no away tilo no male and females he create them, no. Tilo pomu do pokwa away tilo no. God bless them, no. Kasayo sugi with it and serve to them no teba with it, no. Be fruitful and increase in the number, no. Running more to Sato Ato Goto, no, do le in number, because le do no you not do what it apart. Fill the earth and the substitute, no, it, no, but general mala, no, map with hoku, no, tirala, map with hoku, no, do manner hoku, no, manner, no, manner hoku, no, but general fill the earth and the substitute it. Manahoku, rule over the fish of the sea and the birds of the air and over every living creature that's move on the ground. When there are no nagaba, Nagaba hika wada, no rule sidan, no persecuria, number per da nya oletikla no pagita ma thotit phala ole kalikla no pagita ma la ta mu ta hu ta ge tit pha ole hakku le ahu ge wera le ground sidane le hakku phakku no aweni ta khalakasi aweni lo no. Then God said, we want to I give you every seed bearing plants on the face of the whole earth and every tree that have fruits with seed in it. No, when you hear through Bakala, no, Britanmala, Taklita Thala, Britanmala, away, Thathoveda, no, Thathoveda, Le, Hoku, Amepiku. No lo haku daughter plug no tasa kele kasi no tamu tabu kele kasi no thi ba kele kasi le awda akli ta thi pa no awani no they will be your for food no awani kakera ra thu ta o no awani thi sa tamu tabu no ta tu ta sa kele kasi no awani metala tuoni lo no awani no kakira tuo and to all the beasts of the earth and all the birds of the air and all the creatures that moves on the ground no pagitana beast sao ko do pagitana mala tupo lipo do pagitana no creature sao ko bola hala hakku mano pagitana ma hakku awani hala hakku ti pakala kesini dra everything that has the breath or life in it no pakala kesila tamu atha no tamu or tamu atha ti pakala kesini I give everything green plant for food everything green plant for food sidan mitala kala kesini mita ta ota ola green plant sidan awani mitala no miwo mata mutabo apase kono green sidan minala alarm no not it pa alarm awani kala kesino and it was so and it was so awani takiro ta kala kesi tinino pakanyo ta on ta tu ta sa no misa ko bo ta ne mitala no mu ti pa God saw all that he has made no awani kasaya tibera le amma kala kesini no tera na it was very good no awani mitala giroma no giroma no and there was evening and there was morning no when it made that over la mu halo do wo ko wesiko le ta ko ra the day when it made la mu khuni tani lo no thus the no heaven and the earth were complete in all their verse arranged pagitana mala when no mukulo hoku ta ma wala kele kesita tilo wi kele kesi wi lo ne dira no and 7th day God has finished now pagidana mununi tini kasa you are finished now mawi mate we kele kesi the work he has been doing now when it tapita mala aware madi weda kaini no so on the 7th day now he rests now pagidana ma lo mununi tini ne now aware ubi usawa no ubi usawa pane from all his word no le atapita makele kese punilo no and God blessed the 7th day no kasa you are pagitana masugi wera mununi tanini no 7th day mununi tanini no and made it holy kasa you are ma ole tasosi muni because on it he rests from all the work no of create that he has done no when in bamnu kule koplo awe matama no awe matama penny do awe pagitama awe matama kele kesile obu we mutni wene do tala awe tilo malo wera awi we mutni pe munu ni tni ni kele kesi hutaro ni kasaywa pagitama la obu uta penny paula tasosi muni penny lo ke away ni mutni sara la munui ni age klo no pagitana mala tati lo ta so ba so ne mitala be lo no the God creates 1 to 7 day we should think about where the calendar come in or where the people can reach out the day and years a month okay this is the God creates everything the people saw the people, okay, and then the people continent, and the people know about the month, days, and the years, okay. Kita nak kena tadi apa yang aku cakap ni, pakainya tinya orang lah, mungkin ni no, pada mungkin tenui do pada na tani agak pastinya bakal kesilo. Kita nak kena tadi lo orang. Tadi the pie ni, pemain dua le, mungkin ni kesaya tila mungkin aku dah saw po, mungkin aku dah tak apa, no, pergi cerita mandi ni, okay, no really siko. When ni kesaya ni tila dah kele, kesibasa ni kesaya, pergi cerita ordering, no, go ordering to the water, okay, go ordering to the ground, go ordering, no, so many things order, no. Kesaya hilok tak kelu, no, tak kelu. Over ama no let us kora pakra patu patala petang mo no the God not creates everything in his hand, okay, only he creates his voice, no, his mouth, no, his mouth, no, his mouth, okay. Let us kora ni pakra patu pata we should know about that, okay. The God has power, can create everything, okay. The God creates man, okay, only his own image, no, man and woman, no. Let us look at our we should think about carefully, okay. The God creation everything. You can ask me about something. Where is the God come from? A lot of people ask where the God come from. We don't know exactly. We can't know because we are not living with God. Remember that only Jesus living with God. Jesus know exactly. Jesus talk about that. I am before Abraham. All right. This is he living with his Father in the heaven. Remember this. Only one Jesus know the God. All right. Nobody know in the earth. Nobody know in the earth. Okay. Remember this. This thing you cannot ask this question. This is a very, very extremely, okay, you cannot ask the question. Thank you so much, my brother and sister. I will see you later, okay, maybe tomorrow, okay, maybe maybe up before I'm asleep, I don't know. Thank you so much. I will see you when I have time. I want to come in to show you, no. Nó hẹp phá người tiêu số xí đó phải giật khử mà nó giờ mấy chắc khử vào lưu đời nó giờ phá đi bác nó giờ mấy khử này cái phá người tiêu đi nó cầm xe mấy cái ban tiêu cái chuyện là mà nó tập được đó mà mọi số cái thứ mọi số cái tí bộ khó bộ mọi số cái tí trả lại kita kita mà phụ nữ cái nó God bless you, God bless your family, God bless you whatever you do. Okay, thank you. God be with you always, my friend and my brother and my sister. Thank you so much. I will see you later. Bye bye.